to have a look at the Maybe Content Calendar, so what it is and how to use it. If you have any questions, please use this blue button bottom right inside Maybe, as it connects you to us all 24/7, and we love to help. So this is the Maybe Content Calendar. You can find it in your Maybe account under Content and then Content Calendar. It enables you to schedule content in advance across Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, but it also enables you to repost content too. So if you have content that doesn't date, so it isn't topical or time specific, then you can reuse this content by reposting it into your schedule. So just duplicating a previous post, which is a big time saver. So let me show you how to post. So when you go into your content calendar, it will default to the current week, with the Monday of that week being the first day that you can see just here. Now you can change that view. So if you click on this week of button just here, what you can actually do is you can choose which day you want to see first. So you might want to go back to a previous date to obviously repost some content, or you might want to see today as the first day. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on today's date, and then that automatically puts today into this first column just here. So obviously what I can do then is I can see what content's due to go out today and for the next few days or for the next week. So on each day you have a button like this which says new post. So to actually create a new post, you literally just click on new post. And then what that will do is that will bring up another box, which you actually populate with the details of the post that you actually want to go out. So the first thing you need to do is select your channel. So if you click on the drop down just here, what you'll see is Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So obviously you select which platform you're looking to post to. And then in the start writing bit, you literally just populate this obviously with the post that you want to go out. So I've pre-written a post just here that I'm going to post into my schedule. So what it actually does is obviously you put in all of your content, so your captions, you want a catchy caption, you want obviously a link or whatever your call to action actually is. So in this particular post, it's a link to our training page on our website, which obviously gives information about all the trainings that we run on a Monday to Friday. Because I've got a link in this post, what it's actually done is pulled through an image from that link, which I'm perfectly happy with for this post. But if you did want to add an image or a video, you click on add media just here, and obviously then you can select whichever image or video you want to actually go with your post. And then you can also add emojis to your post by clicking on the emoji button here, so you can select them from here. But as you can see, I've already got some actually included in this post. And then obviously it's important to have, as I said, a call to action. So what you actually want the person reading your post to actually do. So in this instance, want them to click the link and obviously have a look at what our training is all about. And then you also want to include relevant hashtags too. So on this one, I've put maybe training and social media training. I'm actually going to add social media tips too, because that's relevant to the post itself. And then you want to obviously tag anyone in that you wanted to specifically see that post that you thought might be of particular interest to them. So I tagged in one of our partners just here. So that's my post ready to go. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the caption, with the call to action, with my hashtags and with who I'm tagging in. And I'm happy with the image that's actually included. So what you actually do then is you come down to here, and on share now, if you hover over the drop down, you can actually see you've got three options. So you've either got share now, or you can schedule the post, or you can actually add that to your queue. So share now is what it says. You actually share the post straight away. Schedule the post is where you actually pick a time or a date for that to go out. And then add to queue is when you actually add it to a schedule that you've predefined. So how to actually do that is covered under another video. But with your queue, what you can actually do is preset times of the day and of the week that you actually want your content to actually go out. And then that just saves you time again, actually choosing a time on each one. But what I'm going to do with this one is I'm actually going to schedule the post. I'm going to schedule the post to go out on Friday at 1 p.m. and then I literally just click schedule. And that's it, that's done. So the benefits of using a content calendar are many, including saving time, less stress, as you know, you've always got content going out. But not only that, you can be strategic, as you can actually look at your content in the schedule, see it in one place across multiple platforms. So you can obviously check that the right messages are going out. You can check for any gaps in content. Have you got key dates or topical things covered? So what you can maybe do is obviously spend an hour or two each week scheduling content, which then frees up time for you to run your business, obviously, but also post some real-time content. So maybe add in some lives and just some real-time stuff to obviously show what's going on in your business that will obviously complement whatever content you've actually put into your schedule. So hope that's been useful. If you've got any questions at all, please use the blue button inside, maybe just here, connects you to us 24/7. And if there's anything you'd like to know more about any of the things that have been mentioned in this videos, like for example, hashtags, use the search bar, you'll find more videos on those topics, and I'll see you on another video soon.